Hi everyone, I'm Maria. Today I'm going to make this fruit pudding from UV resin. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So, these are the materials. This one UV resin from Particle Japan, and this one is the gummy type. Fruit toppings, toothpick, silver chain, jump ring, eye pin, and this one fake whipped cream, and this is the green pigment. And I'm gonna make with this shape. This is soft mold from Particle. And this one, the UV torch. So the first step is add this UV resin, then add 1 or 2 drops the green pigment, then blend it. After mix it well, put it into the mold like this. Fill it until it fills. Like this. And I'm gonna add some fruit toppings. I'm gonna choose this one, and maybe this one. 3 types. Yeah. You can take any amounts you like, then put the toppings into the mold. Put it underneath like this. Don't forget to pop the bubbles also, if you don't like the bubbles. Then cure it using UV torch. If it isn't cure enough, you can cure it with UV lamp for 4 minutes. Alright, it's already cured. Look at those fruit toppings inside. And it's really gummy. Ooh. Next, we are gonna put the cream on the top of the pudding. This cream glue. With the tip on it. This one, the 6-star tip. It will be like this. Ta-da! The last step is add some embellishment. Add some sprinkles. it will be look like this. Now for making back charm, need to put the IP, gem ring and silver chain. Ta-da! Got this pudding done already. Look at this gummy. So guys, which one do you prefer? Me speaking with my voice or just the text? Please comment below. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.